Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to check the specification of your PC. So first off, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead into the main video. So without wasting much time, head over to your file manager. This is the first step to check the specification of your PC. So I head over to my file manager, then I scroll it down to locate this PC. So after doing this, you have to right click on this. So after you right click on this PC, click on the properties. So boom, then I'm going to have every details I need. So this is my device specification, and you can see there is device name, installed RAM, the processor. Then this is 11th generation Intel Core i7, and this is the speed 3 gigahertz. Then you can come down to the device ID, product ID, system type, and everything about this. And you can see the edition Windows 11 Pro, the OS build, and experience, and everything. So this is the first method. Let's go to the other methods you can actually use to check your specs. So click on your Windows button, then click on settings, then go to system, then scroll down and try to locate about PC. So about PC, I click on about PC, then this is it again. So you can see the name of the PC there, you can see the device name, the processor, the RAM, everything. So if you're done with this video, why not just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you.